Hi, this is Yvette from my World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you about how to get what you want for the year 2020. Again, how to get what you want for the year 2020. This video is for all those people out there who want to enter the new year. It doesn't matter if it's this year, next year, the following year, or any year, but wanting to enter the new year manifesting the life that they desire, wanting to make a change for their life so that they could be happy for not only for themselves, but for their families. For all of those people out there that's watching my videos, you already know I am the Law of Attraction Metaphysical Life Coach that brings you information so that you can easily understand, implement it, and put it into action. I get a lot of people writing me saying how their lives changed by watching the videos. Not only mine, but other people videos that are actually out there trying to do the same thing. This video right here was created to give you that extra nudge to help you as we enter the new year. Now, how can you get what you want for the year 2020? The first thing I would like to say, the main thing, is that I want you guys to understand who you are, who you really are. You are a child of God, and that God exists inside of you. This God does not exist on a cloud, even though God is all that there is. When you pray and when you seek assistance, that help is coming from inside. Once you realize where your power comes from, where your source of your abundance and your blessings come from, you no longer seek external, defined thing that's going to help you into the new year. You will then start to think, everything that I get, everything that I see comes from inside. That's why I tell people, go look in the mirror. Talk to that person in the mirror. Look in your eyes and talk to the soul that's inside of you. That's where your God resides. That's where your power is. It's inside of you. And the first thing to step into the new year is to realize this is where your power comes from, not from the outside. If you're seeking assistance from the outside, then you're not having full belief in the God that dwells inside of you. So now, this is what I would do if I wanted to get what I wanted for the 2020, which I do. So don't get me wrong. As long as we're here having a human experience, each and every one of us are going to want something. That's just life, okay? Doesn't matter who you are. You're always going to want something. So now, for me, after you realize where your power and where your abundance come from, the next thing is you have to change your way of thought. Whatever you're thinking inside is what's going to manifest on the outside of your life, is what you're going to experience, is what you're going to see. Everything starts from a thought. And as you think, you are in the process of creating. That's why we talk about affirmations, visualization, because it's a thought. And once it becomes a thought, you're putting it into creation. Now, why certain things come true and other things don't is because you don't follow it through. Or you kill it off with a negative thought. I'm going to manifest that job. The next minute you're telling your buddy, I'm not going to get it. I don't think I have the qualifications for it. I don't think I have the knowledge for it. So for that 2 minutes that you were visualizing and saying affirmations, praying that you was going to get this job, the rest of the day, the other 23 hours and 58 minutes, you are spending doubting what it is you had put out. And that's why it didn't come true. Whatever is your true belief is what you're going to manifest in your reality. Now, once you start watching the way you're thinking, once you know exactly what it is you want, you're going to start doing your affirmations, saying, I am. Watch the videos on I am. I am abundant. I am prosperous. I am a successful life coach. I am a successful ball player. I am a successful writer. Once you claim and declare what it is you want, what it is you already is, you already took one big leap, quantum leap, and you are setting the creation in motion. Okay? Now, the next thing I tell people to do, watch those negative thoughts, people. Please do. Those negative thoughts, those words, either it's spoken or thought of, will either create or destroy. Create or destroy. It has only two things it can do. It can either create and support what you're trying to create in your life, or it can destroy or dissipate whatever it is you're trying to create. Once you understand what it is that you want, you're watching your words, you're declaring what it is you want, I tell people, write it out. Write it out what you want. By you looking at it on a piece of paper, you can make changes to it if it don't seem right, if that's not exactly what you want. You can make changes to it and start reading it. Let it be your own play. Let it be your play, and you just reading out your play of your life. Listen, everything you do, either it's affirmations, visualizations, everything is done in the present tense. You do not put anything in the future and anything in the past. Now, you can say, thank you, God, for blessing me with such and such. So basically, that can be something like the past. But my whole thing is, whatever it is that you're trying to do it as if it is already accomplished. Your subconscious mind knows nothing about the past, the future. It just knows what you're thinking of right now. So if you are trying to manifest something, you think of it as if it is already done. Whatever it is you want, think of it as it is already done. Make that mind movie. Make that affirmation to go with that mind movie. Make that visualization the best that you can make it. Do not compromise. Shoot for the moon. If you're reaching for the stars and the moon and the galaxy, you're only reaching higher. But if you're reaching right in front of your face, you will never get no further than that. So I'm asking you, find out what it is that you want. Get out there, make your mind movie, your visualization, make your affirmation, do your scripting, and then step out there and take action. People, take action. If you want that house, get out there and start working on your credit. You may say, I still don't have enough. And all of a sudden, God moves things around and puts the right person in front of you, and then voila, you're in your new house. That's what happened to me when I got this townhouse. People are like, well, Eyvette, you a nurse practitioner. You have money. Listen, I'm not Rockefeller, people. And I'm not going to lie. My cost of living is a little up there. But I was able to get what I want, even though it was a little bit up there. Okay? You can do the same thing. That car you want, that job you want, that relationship that you want. Visualize it, knowing that as a child of God, everything that you want is yours by divine right. Know that you have the power within you to manifest whatever it is that you desire in your life. Now, once you get there and you start taking action, it's all right to critique and do different things. Take up a new skill. Do whatever it is that you need to do to get what you want. And by you taking action, you're giving God more to work with. God is going to have a hard time manifesting a job for you if you're sitting in the house watching TV. If you want that car, but you just spent $10,000 on gambling, How is God going to work through you to get you that car? Unless you won. Listen, the whole thing is we're entering a new year. And there's so many people out there struggling, trying to make it. I'm letting you know that God has already put techniques and laws out there to help you along your path to manifest everything it is in your life that you want. We need to get out of that old way of thinking. We don't need it anymore. We're moving into a new age where that way of thinking is over. We think now that we know the truth, the secret. The truth is God resides inside of me. And as I make each step every single day, I know God is inside of me, blessing me, letting me know that everything it is okay. I plan to manifest a whole lot for 2020. And I hope by you watching my videos that you have made a list and you anticipate manifesting a whole lot in your life too. 2020 is coming up, and it doesn't matter if it was 2025. The message is still the same. Get out there and manifest what it is you desire. Anything that you desire, you can have it. Do your visualization, affirmation, scripting in the present tense as if it's already done. Get out there, take action. Know exactly what you want so that you don't confuse the universe. Whatever's inside will be outside. It will be expressed. So if you have confusion inside of you, what you're going to manifest will be confusion. So I'm just telling you guys, I'm sending my love and blessings to all of you. If you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe. It keeps me going. At the same time, please follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. If you want to buy crystals, metaphysical items, visit me at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Again, this is Yvette. I'm signing out, and namaste.